Today we are going to look over this question: wildest vertical area between 2 points containing no points. So basically we will look at the approach and the intuition to solve this question along with the code. You can see the code is very short, but what's more important than the code is the approach to solve it. So without any further delay, let's go to it. So in the question I have been given is that there are some points given to me and I am asked the widest vertical area between those 2 points. This widest vertical area is nothing but the maximum width possible between any 2 points. So if I take this test case, so I would see that if I take this test case, it is given 8, 7, 9, 9, 7, 4 and 9, 7. I want you to notice a very important thing, that while you write some points in a sorted order, let's say we write this in 7, 4 like this, 8, 7, 9, 7 and 9, 9, you would notice that the only 2 points which have no points between them are the adjacent points, like 7, 4 and 8, 7, 8, 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 9. If we consider other points like 7, 4 and 9, 7 or 8, 7 and 9, 9, we would get a point between them, like between 7, 4 and 9, 7 we have 8, 7, and between 8, 7 and 9, 9 we have 9, 7. So after the sorting of the points according to their x values, like they are on the x-axis, we would see that only the adjacent points are the points which have no point in between them. So using this intuition, I will just first make the diagram for this. Like 7, 4 would quite lie here. This is 7, 4. 8, 7 would quite lie here. 9, 4 would quite lie here. And 9, 7 would lie here. And this is the width between the 2 points 7, 4 and 8, 7 and 8, 7 and 9, 4. This is the width for 8, 7 and 9, 4 or 8, 7 and 9, 7. But if we consider 7, 4 and 9, 7 and consider their width, we would see that 8, 7 is a point between 7, 4 and 9, 7. So we can only take those points which are adjacent to each other and not the points which are having 2 or more points, which are having 1, 2 or 3 points between them. So using this whole idea, let's move to the code. Now coming to the code, I have just used a simple sort function of Python, and it sorts the point list according to the first value of every list inside the list. That means 8, 9, 7 and 9. It sorts the whole list according to the first value in every list. Now you might have one doubt here, that if I sort according to the first value, I can get 2 orders. That is, just one second. That is, I can also get 7, 4, 8, 7, 9, 4, 9, 7 and 9, 9. Or I can also get 7, 4, 8, 7, 9, 9 and 9, 7. And you would think that the ordering of these two in either way would affect our answer, but that's not the case, because if you look closely, 9, 7 and 9, 4 are lying on the same x-axis point, that is 9, and they are lying on the same y-axis. So even if they come before and after in the sorted list, they won't affect the width in the x-axis. The x-axis width would remain same irrespective of their order in the sorted list. I hope this would help you. Now coming back to the code, after we sort them, I take the length of the points list and I iterate over it till the second last element. Why I don't take the last element? Because in my code, if you see carefully, I take the max width equal to 0 and I compare max width with the difference of the widths of the next point and the current point. So if my code has the last point as the current point, that is points I comma 0, then I plus 1 would give me an index out of range error. That's why I only iterate till the second last element, that is n minus 1. And I compare the max width till then, and after I get the maximum of all, then I return it as my max width as the answer. Now this is how you would solve this question. I hope this video helped you in any way, and if it helped you, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe the channel for more such kind of videos in the future.